Have you ever wondered how a billion-euro company can collapse overnight, even after auditors say the books are clean? When numbers look perfect on paper, who actually checks whether they're telling the truth? Most people think forensic accounting and fraud detection are niche skills meant only for courts and criminal cases. But the truth is they were developed to solve a very real and practical problem long before they became formal specializations. To see this clearly, imagine something simple. You check your bank statement and notice a small charge you don't recognize, so you trace it back, compare dates, amounts, and descriptions, and figure out where the money actually went. Without realizing it, that single action already follows the core logic of forensic accounting: questioning numbers, following trails, and verifying reality instead of trusting appearances. This is the Learning Studio, where we bring accounting and finance to life with clear, practical explanations. What's actually happening in that moment is straightforward. You're treating financial data as evidence, not as truth by default. You're asking whether the numbers make sense, whether they connect logically, and whether something has been hidden or manipulated. That mindset, accounting combined with investigation and legal thinking, is exactly what forensic accounting means when explained formally. The same idea operates at a much larger scale in the real world. When profits rise but cash mysteriously disappears, when liabilities are buried in complex structures, or when transactions don't match economic reality, forensic accountants step in. In scandals like Wirecard, billions appeared on paper but didn't exist in real life. It wasn't traditional accounting that uncovered the truth. It was forensic analysis that followed money trails, tested assumptions, and exposed fabrication. Forensic accountants work where trust has already been damaged. They investigate fraud, trace stolen assets, analyze digital records, and reconstruct financial histories that others tried to erase. They work with regulators, courts, law enforcement, and corporate boards, turning raw data into evidence that can stand up under legal scrutiny. This discipline wasn't created by a single individual. Its modern practice has been shaped and standardized by professional bodies such as the Association of Certified Fraud Examiners, which developed global frameworks for identifying fraud patterns, red flags, and investigative techniques. These standards transformed basic human instincts, suspicion, verification, and accountability into formal systems that could be taught, applied, and scaled across industries. Now that you understand the intuition behind forensic accounting and fraud detection, the next natural step is to explore corporate governance and risk management, because the best way to fight fraud is not just to detect it, but to prevent it before it starts. Stay curious, stay ethical, and continue the journey with the Learning Studio. I'll see you in the next episode.